Ferry Kranenburg has contributed a project called Xpages FilteringSelected Extended. The project comes with a control that extends the FilteringSelected control, which comes as part of the Xpages extension library. So let's take a look. Here is a simple demonstration Xpage. Now the first example comes close in terms of user experience what you get when you use the out-of-the-box filtering select control. You can use the drop-down here to see the entries, and you can obviously also type something in to get the search results that match. Now the extensions are here the loading indicator, which shows up directly in the combo box. So while I'm typing, the loading indicator shows up, and the same loading indicator shows up when I press on the drop-down arrow here. The other extension is that you can select an entry, and then the selected entry shows up directly in the combo box. I can click on it to remove it again. Another improvement of this control is the ability to have more than one column displayed here. So in this case there's two columns. And maybe the most important improvement or extension of this control is the really fast performance. It's a little bit hard to demonstrate, but I'm using a view with 10,000 documents here, and when I'm typing you can see that it's really fast. Now the reason is that the project uses a custom data store, Dojo data store, and that one uses server-side paging, so that not the whole view has to be looked up over and over again. As I said, you can have more than one column, so in this case there's 4 columns, and when I select an entry here, the selected entry has also more than one column. And you can select an entry, and when you then click on the entry, you get switched back to the edit mode. Now let's take a look how you can implement this control and use this control yourself in your own applications. First of all, you need to include this custom control called query read store. In here you give it a name so that you can have multiple of those. You define the view, and you define the name of the column that you want to use for the queries. Now once you have done that, you can use the filtering select control that comes with the extension library. There's only 2 things that are different now. First of all, you need to refer to the store, to the Dojo store that you defined right here. And the other thing that is different is here that the Dojo type, you refer to another Dojo widget that comes with the project, which gives you the functionality like the loading indicator, multiple columns, etc. And in order to configure this widget, you use these Dojo attributes. For example, here's where you define the columns, comma separated list of column names, the width of the drop down, etc.